Sometimes I feel so sad when someone says mean words, or my best friend moved away. We all feel sad sometimes, and it's okay to cry. I felt sad when my aunt moved to heaven, and the grown-ups didn't think I understood. Because I'm little, I just wanted a hug, and to think of happy times. We all feel sad sometimes, and it's okay to cry. My Sunday school teacher let me draw how I felt. Then I showed it to my mommy and we cried together. Then I told her about all the things making me feel sad. We all feel sad sometimes, and it's okay to cry. God will bring us comforts, and we'll be happy again. Then she sang to me, we all feel sad sometimes, and it's okay to cry. It's okay to hug a blanket or a stuffy. It's okay to feel confused, sad, mad and glad. And I feel best when I draw pictures of my feelings, big and small, happy and sad.